No.
Okay, we got some wire action here.
Yeah. Okay.
Ultrasonic cleaner.
You just stole wires for what? I mean, to sell it or?
I don't know.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, well, it looks like we're... Oh, is this
Yeah,
jewelry?
okay.
Is jewelry happening right now?
It looks like so, right?
Or it's just really, really cool wire organization.
I'm not sure about this.
I don't think so. Ooh, wire rings.
Wow, ring.
Get it? Wiring.
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 Why? A ring?
Yeah. No, but... Okay, we're gonna
Make
mold it.
something better.
Exactly.
Why always rings?
We're smoothing out the... What did we melt?
What just happened?
Tin or aluminium?
Is it another ring?
I guess it's another ring.
Yeah.
You can never have too many rings, Archie.
I guess so. I have nothing. I love it. I mean, that looks satisfying.
It looks
but
pretty
what's
satisfying.
happened with the previous ring? I mean,
Oh.
from the wire.
What? What?
What?
Dude, this is 3D. It would be like, Okay, more wire rings. They're not the fanciest. If you're on a budget and you have the tools and you want to get married, she will say no if you give her a wire ring.
What?
I don't know. Maybe it depends if she's.
Well, maybe she don't care about ring.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
But it doesn't work like
It
solar.
doesn't
What
work
do you
that
want
way.
to
I
say?
don't think so in real life. Okay. Now it's looking fancy. This is how you do it, guys. Fellas,
Wow.
take notes.
And look, this thing in the middle, it should be movable. I mean,
Yeah,
rotate around.
I don't know though. I think they're gonna stop that from happening.
Or maybe. Okay, this is much better.
It looks
It's
cool.
just the wiring.
It looks like it gives you the powers of an ancient Greek, like warrior.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I'm feeling.
It's what it.
Yeah, it's like I'm Hercules. All of a sudden you can
What do
lift
you-
up a cow with one hand
Yep.
and Archie
know,
with the other
another-
hand,
Sorry. Excuse
and then you
me.
can juggle Archie and a cow.
Uh.
Ooh,
Yeah.
it rotates. That was cool.
That's what I said.
Okay, I
No,
believe you now.
what?
And it's on a toe now. Never mind.
It's an interesting decision.
Mm.
Okay, but is it the fashion?
I guess it's the fashion.
Okay.
I don't often look at people's toes, but
Wait! Blister! Wait. What just happened?
I don't know. I've
I
never
need
seen
to
that
know.
before in my life.
Okay, they just get a mold out of the. Okay.
And now we have a tampon-shaped mold for what? Some metal?
I mean, for what a reason you need to get it.
I mean,
Instead of-
it looks like they're making some kind of accessory. So
That's
maybe it
for
goes
your-
around the tampon? Is it like a tool for tampons?
I
don't know.
guess tampons don't need a tool.
I guess not. No, yeah. It seems like a
I
pretty...
can be wrong.
Yeah.
but-
yeah, you could be wrong. You could be very wrong.
Yes.
Let's not say any of that.
Yes, sorry. I mean, but
Ah.
what is this all action? Okay, now he wanna ban it.
Wow, okay, that's kind of cool.
Okay, I think it's like a cover
Or like a ring?
something. No, it's like a
For the tampon.
for the tampon. Yeah,
Ah, maybe.
like when you put it. I'm just, okay.
I kind of want to see it as a ring. It looks cool. It's a cool design.
Yes, but
Where's
you
my
can
tampon
ban
ring
it.
at?
You can ban it. It's too big.
True.
Okay, so now it's welding. I love the welding so much. I already told this, right?
Yeah, why don't you marry it then?
On the on the welding?
Yeah.
I would love to, but welding told me no
Oh shit.
because welding was busy.
Welding sees other people as well. Yeah.
Well, it looks like a ring.
It does look like a ring.
So
I could
will
be
you
right.
wear it?
I could be right.
Yeah.
I would wear it. I would wear it on my pinky. Be a
Okay.
pinky ring.
Mm-hmm. But what is that? Then the first part was about.
I don't know. Let's find out.
Let's find out.
Let's test
it. Yes. Sorry, I lost my mind.
What do you think about
let's
guys?
Figure it out together, yeah.
What do you think about guys in jewelry? Like, do you think guys in general are like cool with jewelry, or do you think that there's specific jewelry that guys can't wear? Also, let us know down below.
Yes, please. But what about you? Or you
I
don't wanna-
personally, it's a tampon necklace.
Well, I kind of like it. to be
It
honest.
looks cool.
It looks fine, yeah.
Jewelry hacks! What are you doing to your ear? Why would you even do that? You're ruining both your ear and your earphone with silicone. Why would you do that? Okay? This better turn out to be the most amazing jewelry I've ever seen in my life. Okay, let's go around with some epoxy. Take that off. It looks a little suggestive, a little weird there, but it's okay. I don't judge. Now we take some metal, we're wrapping it around, cool. Twist it all up, that looks pretty satisfying. Now we're twisting more metal. Oh, by the way, have you seen that new show, Twisted Metal? It's based off a game I used to play, where you drive around cars and just crash into each other. Okay, we're making a little design here, a little pattern, some scales. It could be a snake. Now that looks not like a snake. If it is, it's a weird snake. Okay. I'm just gonna cut this all up. Alright, looks like the face of a dragon, potentially. So we're banging this thing up. Wow, they're hitting it rapid. Okay, bending more metal, let's go. Take some of this, turn it, boom. What is it for? We don't know yet. Just have patience with me. Okay, so we're going to solder the metal to the other metal. Very nice. All right, looking good, looking good. Cutting everything up. It looks like that's gonna be a wing potentially. Putting the head on. Drummeling it up, drilling it out. It looks like they might put like a diamond in there or something. Making some space. Is that what's happening? Let's go. Yep, that is what's happening. Very nice. It looks a little messy right now, but I'm sure they're gonna clean it right up. Okay, just give it a nice polish. That's a beautiful wing, beautiful dragon. But I want to see what it has to do with the ear. It looks like it gives you mystical powers if you wear it. It reminds me of that. I forgot what the movie. Ooh. But yeah, the movie where the wizard gives some kid a ring and it gives him mystical powers to be a mage. I love that movie. I forgot what it's called though. Let me know down below if you remember. Okay. So we're melting some coins, okay. But yeah, regarding the jewelry, I think that it's okay. I think that whatever you feel like wearing to express yourself is cool. There are things that I think suit people more than others, but that's like not dependent on your gender, but on your like vibe, you know?
Yeah.
That's it.
So, what's gonna be now? They're again making some another thing. It looks like a human being shape.
It looks a little bit like a human being, or like
yeah.
an area of the body as well.
Or it's I don't know.
Ooh.
The small.
Okay, and we're doing some soldering.
Soldering your teeth. I guess it's a tip, right?
It is a tip. It's a tip, and it's being
So what?
Nothing.
Why just laughing?
Nothing.
Why just laughing at me?
Funny. Sorry, I don't mean to laugh at you. Sorry.
Okay. You're excused.
So now we're cutting up this. That looks hard to do, or it's the soft metal maybe.
I guess it's a soft metal with a very sharp saw.
Okay. Okay.
It's how the guys.
It's gonna be the Statue of Liberty or an alien hand going like this.
I think they're gonna put some diamond on it. And
Ah.
they will just ban it. Wow.
It's a person
It's a person.
So far, so person.
Yeah. It's like a kid draw person.
With like 10 fingers on each arm. Or like, yeah.
Oh, there is some diamonds.
You ever go back to like pictures that you drew when you were a kid and you're like, why was I this bad at drawing? Like, did I have no control over my arms? Because what is this scribble mess, you know?
Well, I didn't see. I don't remember none of my
Childhood drawings?
drawings.
Okay.
Oh.
See, it is a body part area.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Now yeah. Wow.
Okay.
Wow. Nice. It's a
Cool.
piece of art.
Yeah.
It's also nice.
Kind of looks like an elephant.
Yes, it's true.
The shape is similar, that's all I'm saying.
Yeah, not strange, but it's, well, and the diamonds inside.
The diamonds are nice,
Wow.
yeah.